Lake Lavon. That is all covered in snow and ice. We are at this intersection. That is all Lake Lavon back there. And it is white.
You sure? There's no lake over here.
No, there's no lake over there. This ends it. This is the dam.